WBS. Work breakdown structure. 1. What is a WBS? A WBS is a way of analyzing all the required work for a project in a top-down fashion and expressing that work as a hierarchical structure. Each product, including intermediary products, component in a project is defined as an individual output for a segmented job. One of the primary characteristics of a WBS is that each work job element will always have a product defined together with it, whether it is a tangible item like a manufactured product or an intangible item like a service. This type of standard for work division is not set in stone. For a small project, Level 1 may have 4 to 7 categories and Levels 2 or higher may be divided into a maximum of 7 categories. However, one should be very careful not to divide work into too many categories, causing the WBS to be overly complex for the size of the project. The final segmented unit in this chart is called a work package. Usually this unit is used for creating a work description sheet, which is used as a target for work and progress management. 2. Example of a WBS. The illustration is a typical example of a WBS for a software development project. The upper box denotes software development activities. The work flows from left to right. Furthermore, each activity is divided into a number of smaller tasks. When a WBS is drawn, the hierarchy of work required, parent-child relationships, and categories of work become clear. This clarifies the correct order that work should be completed in and the details underlying each particular job. Furthermore, by denoting the function of each required work item, the relationship between the implementation of each individual job and the goal can also easily be recognized. The next figure is drawn as a bit differently from the previous diagram, but it is also an example of a WBS. His method of description appears similar to the directory structure found on a computer, making it familiar and easy to understand. This type of WBS can be applied to both a new system development project or to a system update project. We can provide even deeper details than shown in this figure, by breaking work down to the work package level. For example, the requirements analysis task for a system update project could be broken down further into individual work items such as analysis of the system's current state, interview research related to user requirements, interview management for managerial requests, analyze and finalize requirements, and confirm with stakeholders. These items can then be planned as individual work items. 3. WBS Dictionary. Sometimes a document known as a WBS dictionary is attached to a WBS chart, in order to further explain that WBS. This dictionary contains information that encompasses all items, such as information about individual elements of the WBS, codes for cost accounting, descriptions of work scope, the organization in charge, and/or contract items.